Okay, how are you? Okay. How is the weather today? It's sunny day, okay? Okay. Which month going on? Do you know? Chest, okay? What is the initial letter of chest? It's sound J, okay? What is the end letter of Z? It sound H. Okay. Which season going on? Okay, summer season है. Summer season भनेको गर्मीको महिना हो कि नै? भन्छ त? अब हजुरहरुले गर्मीको महिनामा कस्तो कस्तो कपडा लगाउनु पर्छ? हजुरहरुलाई थाहा छ? What kind of clothes should we wear in the summer season? Cotton and light clothes, okay? बुझ्नुभयो? हजुरहरुले कटनको कपडा लगाउनु पर्छ अनि हल्का खाको एकदम हल्का हुन्छ नि म्यामले लगाइसकेछ नि हो त्यस्तो वाला नाना लाउनु पर्छ है हुन्छ ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट गायत्री मन्त्र ओके ओम भूर्भुवस्सः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ओम भूर्भुवस्सः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ओम शांति 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 Okay, Arsia, what do you use to chew your food? Very good. Okay. Sambhavi, are you ready? What is the shape of an earth? Okay, very good. What's your name? Okay, very good. How many colors are there in a rainbow, Susan? Very good. Okay, Molina, are you ready? Okay, how many fingers are there in one hand? 5. Very good. Okay, Aaron, Papa, are you ready? What do you say to your father's wife? Mother. Very good. Okay, Susan, are you ready? What do you call for a big plant? Tree. Very good. Okay, how many provinces are there in Nepal? Arpan? 7. Very good. Sriyansi, are you ready? How many eyes are there in a world environment? Yes. Very good. Okay, Susan. Susan, are you ready? Which class do you study? UKG. Very good. Dixon, what's your school's name? My school name is Krista Montessori. Okay, very good. Prima, are you for this season? Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, discuss. Come on, middle, and later A is found M. Okay? Let's Causing me a land. Wow, very good. Okay, clap for this person. Okay, Dixon Rokaya from a middle. Okay, letter B is sound B. Okay? Finger baby, finger ba. Finger baby, finger back to the back to play. Wow, very good. Arpan Nogeli, come on middle. Okay, letter C is sound K. Okay? We are making a We are making a beginning, comma middle. Okay, letter D is sound duck. Okay?
On my drum, playing drum is my sound.